and that's really what we're going to have to do.
Yes.
Marami talagang, well, of course, all over 50% of our communities are coastal, even more. Basta nasa tabi ng ilog o nasa tabi ng dagat, which is the normal way. So anyway,
So the damaged houses, Mr. President,
Yeah.
for example, in Las Nieves, compared naman to Governor Kani, we have approximately mga 21 houses damaged talaga. So priority namin po sila. Tapos ang problema lang namin in Las Nieves talaga, because Secretary Laurel is here po, yung agriculture is an agricultural area. So ang laki ng hectarage po namin na naapektuhan. So that's approximately around 584.94 hectares. Ngayon po, we would want, ako sana if we can help them, kasi yung products natin sa corn, rice, cassava,